Sonríele la cámara, mi amor.
Go.
Hi, this is Ashe from ourskatelife. Today, I want to show you the different steps to skating backwards. Okay, so the first step we're gonna do is how we showed you on our first or second video how to roller skate. Our toe stops facing each other, and we're gonna start marching. You're gonna start rolling little by little. If you're too scared, just march in place. If your toes are facing each other, slowly you're gonna start rolling backwards. Just bend your knees for safety. So the second step is after marching, you're gonna wanna push a little bit forward so you can get momentum going. While you bend your knees, you kind of push forward. For the third step, you already have a little momentum, so you're gonna wanna look where you're going. Once you have a little bit more momentum, you're gonna look over the shoulder to see how you can skip these cracks. So for the fourth step, you're gonna wanna go faster. To go faster, you're gonna push off in your V position to the side, bending your knees. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna push off, bending your knees. So bring your arms out for balance, look over your shoulder, and push. All right, so for step 5, you're gonna put all of them together, and you're gonna add your own groove. To go downhill backwards, you're gonna wanna distribute your weight. Open your legs a little bit. The back leg, you're gonna hit your toe stop, and it's gonna look like this. So remember for this, always bending your knees, never sticking your butt out. And you can use your arms out for balance. And the trick is to have confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos of us.
Hey guys, it's Emily England from Our Skate Life. Ash and I are professional roller skaters. We've been skating since we were 5 years old, and we do crazy stunts every night in a Las Vegas show. So when you're learning our step-by-step tutorials, please make sure you take them step by step. You do have a risk of injuring yourself if you jump ahead too quickly. So if we take our children or our pets to skate with us, please don't imitate that. Keep safe and healthy and stay rolling.